The Kenwood KFC-693 car speakers are engineered to deliver an impressive peak power of 650 watts, ensuring a robust and dynamic audio experience. A polypropylene woofer cone with a diamond array pattern and durable rubber surround enhances sound quality by minimizing distortion and providing powerful bass. These speakers feature a balanced dome tweeter and super tweeters, offering clear and detailed high frequencies for a well-rounded sound performance. The inclusion of an acoustic sound harmonizer improves response in the critical 3000 to 4000 Hertz range, resulting in smoother and more natural audio. A newly designed frame increases the open area, enhancing bass response and sound clarity while making installation across different vehicle models straightforward. Kenwood's KFC-693 speakers combine high power handling, superior sound quality, and easy installation, making them an excellent choice for upgrading your car's audio system.